IoT sounds complex only until you realize it's simply machines talking, listening, and reacting, just like we do. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach subjects, we break them down to their core intuition so you understand why technology behaves intelligently, not just how code is written. Most students think IoT using ESP32 and Raspberry Pi is a futuristic or software-heavy topic, but in reality, it exists to solve a very practical problem: how to connect physical devices to the digital world so they can sense, decide, and act remotely. Instead of isolated machines, IoT turns everyday systems into connected, data-driven entities. To see this intuitively, think about smart homes. Lights turn on automatically, temperature adjusts itself, and security cameras send alerts to your phone. Behind each of these actions is a small device like an ESP32 or Raspberry Pi collecting data from sensors, processing it locally, and communicating with the cloud or other devices. Without realizing it, you interact with IoT every time a system responds to you without direct human control. At a deeper level, ESP32 and Raspberry Pi play different but complementary roles. ESP32 excels at low-power, real-time sensing and wireless communication, making it ideal for embedded IoT nodes. Raspberry Pi acts like a small computer capable of handling more complex processing, user interfaces, and data management. Together, they form the backbone of many modern IoT systems. On a larger scale, IoT enables smart cities, industrial automation, healthcare monitoring, agriculture optimization, and energy management. Sensors distributed across environments collect massive amounts of data, allowing systems to become predictive, efficient, and responsive instead of reactive. In real engineering practice, IoT projects involve sensor integration, communication protocols, data processing, security considerations, and system scalability. Engineers use platforms like ESP32 and Raspberry Pi to prototype, test, and deploy real-world solutions that bridge hardware and software seamlessly. Now that the intuition behind IoT with ESP32 and Raspberry Pi is clear, the next step is to explore communication protocols and cloud integration, where connected devices become part of intelligent, large-scale systems. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.